Hey everybody, it's Ryan. I'm gonna give you an overview of this lit up, very, very bright lit up snowman, more likely gonna put out for Christmas. Let me give you some close-ups of it. So this is what it looks like fully assembled. It takes just a couple minutes to put up, and then when you want to store it, literally it fits in a box about this tall, maybe 3 or 4 inches tall. It just kind of all collapses down nice and neat. This ring connects to a rod and another rod, and then these kind of collapse, and then it kind of like almost like an accordion goes, and it goes all the way down. So that was a plus right out the gate because it came in a pretty small box. I was like, oh man, it's going to take forever to put together, but it did not. So that was kind of cool. You got an extension cord here that's about 4 to 5 feet. Actually, a little bit longer because I have it wrapped around here. So probably closer to 6 feet long in extension, but more likely probably be plugged into an extension cord depending on where you want to put it out in the yard. Speaking of yards, it does come with 4 ground stakes to put it in. And then here up close, you have these rings on all 4 corners there of that. So if you want to stick it in the yard, it's not really going to go anywhere. And it features buttons, a scarf, and you got your nose here. Looks like a carrot. Button eyes, a mouth, top hat. You got the little all these details here. Very, very cool. Up close, it has sort of a snowflake design. This is meant for indoor or outdoor use. About 4 feet tall when it's fully assembled. Sits off the ground, as you can see there, probably about 6 inches or so off the ground. So if you are in a snowy environment, you got about so much space there. But all in all, very cool, very easy to put up, easy to put down. I don't know how many LEDs are in it. Sort of a warm color, if you can pick that up, but I think glows like nobody's business. Really glows good. Hopefully that comes through here. All in all, nice snowman for the old holidays. Now, full disclosure, this company sent this to me, said, Ryan, can you do a little overview? Most importantly, tell us how bright it is, and is it easy to assemble and then put up for storage? Hopefully, all of that was answered, and we'll tie you soon.